Hello guys, it's Car Guy UK and welcome to an unboxing video. So today I've got the Nextbase dashcam 422GW. So let's get into it. Let's have a look what we get in the box. So first of all, a little welcome card. Congratulations to the purchase of your Nextbase dashcam. And on the reverse, there's a protective sticker, if you can see that. That goes into your car, just to let people know that it's protected. Great. Okay, we've got a quick start guide. Okay, and then in this section, we seem to have the accessories to the dashcam. Okay, so this is the actual mount. That's a sticky pad that will go on your windshield. So in here, so this, the 12-volt socket. That'll go into your cigarette lighter, and this is the cable that actually plugs in to the mount. If you can just see that little hole in there, that's where that'll go. Okay, we've got a tool which can assist you opening your sort of headlining in the car, and your A-pillar if you're looking to hardwire. And then we've got the USB-A cable that will plug into your computer. You plug that into the dash cam, so you want to give that a charge up, or just access the dash cam just to have a look at it. Spare sticky pad. And the dash cam itself. Okay, so here we have the actual dash cam. So let's take a look. The lens cover off. So this has got a 140 wide angle lens. We'll remove that as well. So that's actually where the mount will clip into. It's magnetic. Very strong. It clicks together. The pull of it, you can feel it there. So that is literally going nowhere when that's plugged on to your windshield. Okay. Okay, so let's have a look around the dash cam. So, on the top, we have a port where you plug into your computer. On the side, we have another port. Looks a bit like a HDMI port. That's where you would plug the other accessories you can get for this dash cam. It's another camera module that you can clip on the side. On the bottom there's a reset button if you want to reset the dash cam. And on the side we have the on and off switch and the micro SD card slot. And this is the screen of the dash cam. And on the bottom we've got a protect button, so if you press that button it captures and saves the video, so it cannot be erased in case there's anything urgent that you need to keep. Okay, so I've now plugged the dash cam in as it was dead out of the box. So let's turn it on and see what we've got. And straight away we've come into the select language screen. So English UK is okay. Okay, UK and Ireland. Miles per hour. So this dash cam works with Alexa as well, so you'll need to download the Alexa app and pair the dash cam to the app. We'll skip that for now. And also, what's a good idea is to get yourself a micro SD card for the dash cam. I've picked up the one from Nextbase just to make sure it all works fine and there's no issues with compatibility. And I've purchased a 64GB, which should be more than enough for the dash cam. So let's get this out and pop it in. Okay, so here is the 64GB micro SD card, and here is the adapter, so you can plug that into some computers, but we don't need that for now. Tells you which way to pop it in, so just match the sort of diagram with the card. Oh, you might need something sharp to pop it in. Let me get a knife. And there you go, you can hear it clicking. Okay, so I just want to talk about some of the other features in the settings. We've got resolution. So that is an actual 2K resolution, HD, 1440p. So that's absolutely fine. We'll keep it at that. And you can change it to 1080p. But I think that's going to be the best resolution to get the best picture. You've got exposure, I won't change that. Video length, you can pick the video clips in 1 minute, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. And audio, this will record the audio in the car. I'm going to select that to off. You can have a timestamp on your footage, so we can leave that on, that's absolutely fine. Speed stamp, you can have that on or off, I'll leave that on. GPS stamp, so that's obviously your location, I'll leave that on as well. And the model stamp of the dash cam, I don't see it makes any difference, but I'll leave that on. Dual files on and off. Time lapse feature, I'm fine with that, I'll leave that off. Put in your number plate for the timestamp. And G sensor, This is the parking mode, so that relates to how sensitive the sensors are. I'm looking to hardwire this dash cam into my car, so I've also bought a dash cam hardwire kit, so we can have a quick look what we get in here. Okay, so we get the long cable. That's the bit that would plug into the dash cam, and this would travel around your headline in your car. So you get three fuse options depending on what fuse you have in your car. So you'll need to check the sizes of the fuse to make sure you've got the compatible wire. So we'll just take one for example. You would plug that into that like so, and that would be your earth cable if you're looking to hardwire your dash cam. So yeah, you'll need to pick up one of these as well. So to round off then, that's the Nextbase 422GW dash cam. It's nice and compact. It's a lot smaller than I thought it would be, which is great. Just go over a few of the features. So as I've said before, it's got 2K recording. The screen is 2.5 inches. It's an IPS touchscreen, which is really clear. It records your speed and your location accurately with the GPS function. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so you're able to connect it to the My Nextbase app, and you're able to easily download the footage to your smartphone or tablet. It's also got an emergency SOS response feature, so it can help get emergency services to where you are should you be in an accident. And it's also got a intelligent parking mode, so it can even protect the car when you're parked, and it will record when someone bumps into your car. So, you know, these are some of the really great features that it has. So I'm looking forward to testing it out. Obviously, download the Nextbase app to activate all the features. And yeah, that's what I'll be doing, and I'll be installing it in my car. I'll do a install video so you can have a look how that works with the kit that I've bought and shown you. So look out for that video, and I'll also do some test footage so you can see what it looks like on my travels, and yeah, see if it persuades you to buy one or helps you out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.